Hey friends, happy Friday, and a happy one it is here in southeastern Virginia. Sun is shining, it's still brisk. As you can see, I have layers of clothing on here. This is my personal invitation to you to join me at 12 noon. Today I'm super excited because I'm talking about sunflowers, amongst other things, right? But that will include my sunflower succession, the way I do that, as well as early bird suns. Most people don't know about that, just like I didn't for years. So if you want to join me for the live show and get the lowdown on sunflower sowing, you can either just comment app here, and I'll DM you the link to get the app on your phone, or you can just go to your app store and search Gardener's Workshop. Anyway, the show will start at 12 noon Eastern time, so in 34 minutes. Grab your lunch and join us. It's about an hour-long program. And if you've never joined us before, friends, it is so much fun. Think QVC type show with me and my sis Suzanne showing you how we use the stuff that we use here on our farm, and you have the option to purchase it. So today I'm talking about sunflower sowing. Of course, I'll be talking a little bit about my new book. And we always give something away. What am I giving away today? Oh my goodness, I'm giving away my favorite, y'all, a $25 store credit for one lucky live viewer. So get your beverage, get your lunch, and join me inside the app at 12 noon. You can definitely watch it through social media, y'all, but you can't interact with us and you can't enter the giveaway from over there. So get the app, it's totally free, and join us. And I can't wait to show you how I sow sunflowers and why I sow sunflowers and how early we sow sunflowers. All right, friends, I will see you on the flip side of 12 noon Eastern time inside the Gardener's Workshop live shop show. See y'all over there. And again, you can comment app here, and it'll DM you automatically the link to get the app if you don't already have it. All right, friends, see you in a little while. Ciao.